This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys, I would like to welcome you all to this Microsoft Intune training session. So, in this session, I'm gonna give you the overview of the training, how the training will get conducted, what all things will be covered in the training, and how you guys will be able to do the practical and all. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. So, my name is Kashif. I am from India, Mumbai. I have somewhere around 30 years of, sorry, 13 years of practical IT experience. I have experience on other technologies as well, like SCCM, um, Active Directory, Azure, PowerShell, right? Intune, application packaging. Apart from these uh, technologies, I am involved in the implementation part, wherein I implement SCCM, Active Directory, Office 365, Intune in various companies so far. I have completed my graduation from Mumbai University, and after completing the graduation, I started working as a system administrator. I was in SCCM level 1, level 2, level 3 team, and now I'm working um, as a architect, wherein I design and implement technologies for the companies. And side by side, I take the training, wherein I take offline training, classroom training. I have taken, I have trained more than 30,000 students globally. So that's about me, guys. I would like to take you to the Intune session, wherein I will be giving you some overview about Intune. So first of all, um, let me tell you the historical background of Intune. So Intune is a Microsoft product. Okay, Microsoft developed this product and released in the market in the year 2010. Okay, 2010. Now, Intune is what? What is the role of Intune in information technology? So Intune is basically going to perform two. There are two things which Intune does. First is mobile device management. The second one is mobile application management. Okay, so we manage mobile devices plus mobile application. Okay, through Intune. Now, most of the companies are uh, giving provision to their users to access company resources on their mobile phones plus on Windows 10 laptops. After COVID, most of the people are working remotely, right? They are working from home, so they are accessing company resources. So the devices which they are using, those devices are being managed by Intune. I will let you know why those devices are being managed by Intune. Okay, so through Intune, we manage devices. Okay, what all devices we can manage through Intune? We can manage Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, either it's a laptop or a desktop or a virtual machine. We can manage through Intune. We can manage Android devices. Okay, then we can manage iOS, iPad devices. Okay, then Mac computers, then Linux boxes, right? Then Chrome OS. So currently we are able to manage all these operating systems. So if your device has, let's say you are using Android device, so you can manage through Intune, right? If you are using iOS, we can manage through Intune, right? Any operating system you are using of these list, we will be able to manage through Intune. Now, what do you mean by management? Management means we can control the devices. For example, this is your device, right? And you are in New York right now. Okay. Tomorrow you are traveling, right? You are not inside the company premises. You are like roaming around. So through Intune on the internet, we can control the device. Okay. The device will be managed through internet, no matter the location of the device, whether the device is in inside the premises or outside the premises. So in companies, we will have thousands and thousands of devices, right? So some devices, for example, some devices are in, for example, 5,000 devices are in New York, right? 10,000 devices are in Mumbai, right? Another 5,000 devices are in London, right? For example, 10,000 devices are in um, Paris. Suppose this is the company. Let's say the company name is abc.com. Okay, ABC Private Limited. That's the company name. So company headquarter, uh, for example, the company headquarter is uh, in India, right? And it has some branch offices. So let's say branch office is in London, another branch office is in Paris, another one in New York, another one in Mumbai, right? Now each location has some devices. Paris has 10,000 devices, London has 5,000 devices, Mumbai has 10,000 devices, and New York has 5,000 devices. And India also has, let's say, 50,000 devices there in India. So through Intune, so we can manage these devices. Okay. So we will have Intune, we will implement Intune, and then through Intune, we can manage the devices in Paris, in New York, Mumbai, India, and London. Okay. We can deploy what all things we can do to the devices. So you can deploy applications. Suppose if you need application on your Windows 10 computer, what do? You go to internet, you download the application. Or in case if you have to download some application on your mobile phone, how do you install it? You go to Apple App Store or Google Play Store, download the application from there. So you don't have to download, user will not have to download. So in company, there will be like thousands and thousands of users. So the Intune administrator will be pushing the application to the devices from here, okay, from Intune server to the devices. Also, you can deploy policies. So we can deploy the policies to the devices. Policies means we can unblock some of the features of the devices. For example, I would like to turn off the camera of your device when you are in office premises. I don't want you to use your camera. I want to turn off the features of your device or block some of the applications. Let's say I don't want you to use YouTube, so we can block that application. right? I don't want you to install some applications on your device, right? Plus, I would like to restart your device. Okay, so we will have complete control on the device. Understood? So I will take you to the Intune portal, which will give you a little bit more um, overview. So this is the link, endpoint.microsoft.com. So since it's just a demo session, so I'm not going into details. I'm just giving you an overview. So here we have at the left hand side, we have devices and all devices. So here we will get the list of all the devices, like thousands and thousands of devices will appear here. I have only few devices. Okay. These are the only devices which I have. But in production, you will have thousands and thousands of devices. And suppose this device is in London, right? I am in Mumbai right now, and this device is in London, and I need to, uh, let's say, restart this device. So what I will do, I will just go to the device and then choose restart. And the command will go over the internet. The device will receive the policy, and the device will get restarted. Suppose I need to collect the diagnostic log file of the device, so I can choose this option. I can synchronize. I can do wipe remote factory reset of the device. Suppose the device is lost, and I can initiate this factory reset of the device. Then I can rename the device, locate the device where the device is located at the moment, right? BitLocker, local admin, password, then full scan, quick scan. So pretty much everything we can do. Okay. We can block unblock some of the applications on the devices, some features of the devices. So basically that is the MDM, mobile device management. Now coming to mobile application management, we can manage applications. So inside, so there are two things I told you, right? MDM, wherein you manage devices, right? You manage devices. Now MAM, you manage applications. Suppose this is the application inside the device, you manage that one. You don't manage the device, you manage the application. So both the things are possible through Intune, right? And why this is needed? Because the device is outside, right? User is not inside the premises. After COVID, most of the people are working from home, right? So company resources, their users are accessing company resources on their laptop, on their mobile phone. So the company would like to keep their data safe and secured. That's the reason they would like to manage the device. They would like to manage the application. Okay? That's the main purpose of Intune, mobile device management. Now, this Intune started in 2010, right? Now, like Intune, there are many other third-party products. Okay, similar to Intune, we have Altres, then we have Tanium, then we have uh, AirWatch. These are from different vendors. Okay, then we have Goods, then Zen Mobile. These are the competitors of Intune, but Intune is way ahead from all these competitors. Okay, so Intune is most of the companies are using Intune. Almost all big size and medium size organizations are using Intune. Okay, that's the reason wherever you go, you will find Intune. Okay, so point number one, why you should learn Intune. The reason to learn Intune, first one, it is matured product. Why matured product? Because it is there in the market since 2010. So almost like 13 years this product is there in the market. Okay. Second, it is there in almost all big size and medium size organization. Okay. Wherever you go, you will find Intune almost everywhere now. Okay. Point number three, you have good vacancies for this. Okay. Job opportunities are there. So you should learn a technology which has job opportunity as well. If you learn a technology, the technology is good, but job opportunity is not there, then there is no point learning that one. Okay. So good vacancies. Why? Because almost all big size and medium size organizations are using that one. Point number four, good salary. Okay. You will be able to earn somewhere around, if you are outside India, let's say you are in US, Canada, or European countries, then you can expect a salary of $50 US dollar, okay, USD, $50 per hour, okay. That's the average salary you might get as Intune administrator. If you are in India, you can expect a salary of 6 lakh per year, Indian rupees, okay, if you are in India. Okay. Annual salary 6 lakhs. That's the average salary. Okay. So opportunities wise, it is better. Salary is also better. Okay. Then point number five, less competitors. Okay. Now you should also learn a technology which has less competitors. Why? Because in case if you're learning and then some competitors might come into the market and it will overcome the, I mean, it will take over the other technology, then it will be difficult for you, right? So it has less competitors. Point number six, easy to learn, easy learning. Why? Because everything is predefined, steps are available. You just have to use those steps to achieve your goal. You don't have to write any script, or you don't have to write down any s- uh, coding languages, or no programming languages are involved into this one. So point number seven is no coding. We don't have any coding here. Okay. No coding, no programming languages are there. Okay. So it's a matured product. It is there in the, it's being utilized almost everywhere in big size and medium size companies. Good vacancies, good salary, less competitors, easy to learn, no coding. Point number eight is uh, good future as well. Why? Because we don't see any competitors which can take over Intune at the moment. Because Microsoft is adding more and more features to Intune on daily basis, right? Every month they are releasing new features in Intune, right? So you have good future if you are interested to jump into uh, this technology, then these are the factors why you should learn this technology. Now this point number nine, this is for, who can take this course. So anyone from IT, for example, if you are anyone from IT, or anyone who has basic computer knowledge. So who can learn this technology? If you are already working in IT field, then you are eligible, or anyone who has basic computer knowledge, you can also take it. Okay, so it will be easier for you. Those who are from IT already, it will be easier for you to uh, understand this one and start doing the practical and everything. Okay, now coming to the course content. Okay, so I'm gonna take you to the course content wherein what all things will be covered in the training. Okay, so 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 this training is going to be for it is not updated. Basically, it is for 1 month, 30 days basically. Now this course is for 1 hour daily basis. 1 hour we will do. Okay, Monday to Friday. So it will go uh, up to 30 days. We will be able to finish it off in 30 days. Okay, practical, yes, we will do the practical. Session recording, each session we will record each session, and after the session I will give you the recording. Okay, completion certificate, yes, you will get the completion course completion certificate after the training. Okay, so the training is basically on daily basis 8 to 9 for 1 month, for 30 days basically. Okay, and we will do, each one of you will have to do the practical and you will get the recording. Now the course content, this is the Intune course content wherein what all things will be covered. If you want, I will share this course content with you. You can go through this one. So everything which is being utilized in the company, right, on daily basis, whatever you do through Intune is covered into this one. Plus, this is also aligned with the certification. So after this course, if you guys are looking for a certificate, I mean, to take Microsoft exam. So the Microsoft exam is MD 102. Okay. So this is just 3 months back. This is released by Microsoft. So if you take this exam, you will become Microsoft Endpoint certified. Okay. So you can take this exam and become certified after the training. Okay. So I will help you with this one as well, um, with the exam. So you can become certified. Okay. So the course content is basically aligned with this exam, plus whatever you do on the daily basis in your day-to-day work profile. Okay, this is the course content. Okay, so we are going to start the session from tomorrow, right? 8 a.m. IST, India time, daily, Monday to Friday, right? Monday to Friday, 1 hour daily basis. Sorry, for 30 days. Okay, 8 to 9 India time. So if you are not in India, outside India, different time zone, you can calculate what time zone you are in, and convert this time. Suppose if you are in EST time zone, it will be 10:30 p.m. for you, I think. Okay. So now I will give you some time for question. In case if you guys have any question, you can ask. So you can unmute yourself one by one and ask question. Yes, Imran.
Hey, Kashif, do you have predefined labs that you already have, I'm guessing, for this course, as well as how granular do you go in these courses? Let's say for topics regarding policies and autopilot, etc. How granular do you go? Do you go to the advanced
This is the
stages of those, or?
course. You see, this is the course content. So if you
Hmm.
would like to go through that one, you can go through that one. So what I do, I basically go according to the work, profile on daily basis what we do in the, because I am having uh, work experience as well. So whatever we do in the work, generally I cover all those things. Okay, understood? Plus, you asked about predefined lab. Predefined lab, I don't have you. I will guide you how to create your own lab. Okay, so
Sure thing.
Intune is like free trial available for 30 days. So I will
Hmm.
help you with that free trial. You can take the free trial license from Microsoft, and then I will guide you how to create your own lab. Either you
Sounds
can
good.
create your lab um, on your laptop itself, or you can do it on Azure Cloud Data Center.
Sounds good to me. Thank you so much.
Nowadays, Shafiullah.
Hi, Kashif. This is Intune. I got it, but is there any option for the servers as well in the Intunes?
Intune does not manage server, only client.
Okay, so the servers it should be the SCCM part, right?
Yes. So through SCCM can manage client plus server both, but Intune is more focused only on the client part. Server is still being managed by SCCM. Microsoft is very smart. Why Microsoft does not want to let SCCM go. They want to sell both the products. For server, they will be using SCCM, and for client, they will be using Intune. Okay.
Thank you, Kashif. Thank you.
Hi, Kasim.
No worries.
So
Yes.
I have one
And
doubt. As
hmm
part of this co-management, we are covering any practical sessions on SCCM and Intune co-management.
I will be showing on my system. You see, I have this device. Um,
Okay, thank you.
1 minute. So co-manage. You see, this device is being co-managed by SCCM and Intune together. Okay. So I will be showing on my system because practically it will be difficult. Why? Because we will have to build SCCM environment as well for each one of you, and that will be very difficult because we need another high configuration of computer to build the SCCM lab, because SCCM lab minimum it needs 12 GB RAM, quad core processor, and 200 or 250 GB hard disk space. So I will show you on my system how that is done, so you will get the uh, good understanding about it. Okay.
Okay,
Anyone else has
Okay,
any
go ahead with
question?
it.
Sujit? Yeah.
So,
Gaurav? Yeah.
Hey, hi
so
Kashif,
for mobile
Sujit here.
device management, like for Android,
Yeah, one by
iOS,
one.
how do you go ahead with that? Like, do we enroll devices here, or we just
We
follow
will
policies?
do the enrollment of the devices. We will enroll Android devices. We will enroll Apple devices, and then we will be deploying policies to the devices. Okay, through Intune, and we will see how the policies are being applied to the devices. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Sujit.
Hey Kashif, Sujit here. Kashif,
hmm
are we planning to go through the hybrid environment scenario, basically like Windows Hello? Okay, for business, where the
Yes,
hybrid
Windows Hello we
environment
will do.
and yeah, from Intune and tenant level, okay, but when it comes to the hybrid environment where on-prem scenario also exists, or the encryption and or the what do you say? So those kind of scenarios where the we need to
For
enable and the
high
certifications.
uh, for hybrid, basically you are saying when we have on-premises devices and you are managing you have the devices on premises domain controller, and now you would like to register it with Azure Active Directory and then enroll to Intune too, right? That's that is
Yes.
your hmm. So we
Yeah.
can
Basically, when
we are
Windows
not doing,
allow.
yeah, we are not doing it here. Why? Because that takes another, I can show it to you on my system, okay, because I have the devices running
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
my system, but
Understand. On
I
your
will not be
system at
able to
least.
show you,
When.
yeah, I will not be able to show you practically. Why? Because that needs another you know uh,
Okay.
uh, another server. We will have to build domain controller, right? So most of you guys will not have good configuration of computer, so I will not be covering practically that one. Okay.
Yeah, just I was looking for the practical, like, if you can show on your computer or cover that part theoretically also, it will be great.
Yeah.
Because sometimes when on-prem scenario, in a co-management scenario, there will be a requirement where the encryption keys need to be sync with the Intune, right? How that will be done, or Windows Hello for Business when we are in on-prem environment or co-management, where this how that Windows Hello will be getting synced with the ADFS and
Mm,
all backend. So that's just theoretically if you are also covering. I know that practical will not
practically
be,
not
but that
possible, but theory
goes.
I will
Yeah,
try. Okay.
yeah, sure. Thank you.
Anybody else has any question? Any reading material you can provide? Yes, you will get the document. Okay, I will share the document with you. Intune archives. Okay, so I'm gonna send this to you guys. Once the training, on daily basis, I will be sending you uh, the materials based on the core topics what we will be covering. I will be sending you the materials for you to get the theory knowledge as well. So in the training, we will do theory plus practical. Okay, and I'll be sharing the document.
Thank you, Kashu.
Anybody else has any question? No question? All good? Okay, guys. So if you do not have any question, then we will wrap it up. But before I wrap it up, this is my number 9892354331. Okay. So you can, those who would like to continue from tomorrow, if you guys are interested to continue the training from tomorrow, then tomorrow we will start at 8 a.m. India time. Okay. And it will be from Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour session. And for 30 days, you will get the recording, you will get the materials, and after the training, you will be confident enough to start working on Intune, because you will be getting practical plus theory plus practical knowledge. So if you are interested to continue from tomorrow, you need to send me a message on WhatsApp, or you can call me as well. Um, eh, Related this course, uh, you need to uh, enroll to this course, make payment, and then I will add you into the training session. Okay, so this is my number, guys. 9892354331, if you are interested to continue from tomorrow. Okay, any other question from anyone before we wrap it up?
As of these training materials, how are you going to share?
On daily basis, I will be sharing the Microsoft document for your reading purpose, plus we will be
Mhm.
doing the practical. Okay, I don't give all the materials like uh, at the same time, so it will be very difficult for you to read. So one by one, step by step, I will be giving you the document on daily basis related to the topics what we will be covering. Okay.
Yes, Ashok, we are covering autopilot.
Yes,
Maybe
autopilot we will
itself.
be covering.
Okay. And
We
the
will cover autopilot. Huh?
kiosk profiles,
Sorry.
kiosk profile, like just a single window opens only URL. Uh, the kiosk profile.
S-
We are having
You
kiosk
know the
profile.
status message which comes during the autopilot, right?
No, not profile. This is just like a kiosk profile. In autopilot, we are having
Hmm.
a method processing which will process the computer as per the organization policy, right?
Yes, yes,
Same.
yes. We will be doing it. Okay. You send me a hi message on WhatsApp. I'll say share the course content with you. Okay. You can go through
Yeah.
that one. Okay, guys. Any other question before we wrap it up?
Just a quick suggestion. If I don't know whoever is going to be there tomorrow, but if you can create a WhatsApp group as well, it'll be easy for everybody to exchange
That
information.
is what we do.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
That is what we do for the enrolled students. So from
Okay,
tomorrow, those who are going to enroll the session, I will be creating a WhatsApp group and I will add those students into that one. Okay.
Kashif, Santosh here. So
Mm.
do we need any kind of configuration for the labs or anything, or any software?
If you have, you know, a computer which is having minimum 8 GB RAM, quad core processor, and SSD hard disk, then it's okay to create lab locally. Otherwise, you will have to create lab in Azure Cloud Data Center or Google Cloud or AWS Cloud. Okay.
Okay.
Anything else from anyone before we wrap it up?
Because if, as you told, we can configure in our device lab. It's
Hmm.
possible.
Yeah, lab is
It's
possible.
a it's a completely cloud based. No?
No, no, not Intune server. I'm talking about the computer. Suppose if you have to do the testing, where will you do the testing? You have to set up a
Okay.
computer, right? So you see, at the left hand side, I have domain controller, database, MECM. These are SCCM server, but domain controller and these are my two Windows, one Windows 10 and another one is Windows 11 computer, right? So I am managing these two computers from Intune. Okay, these
Got
two
it. Got it.
computers. So you need at least one test machine. So either you set up the test machine locally on your laptop on make a virtual machine like this, or you can create um, the lab, I mean the test machine on Azure Cloud Data Center. That's what I am saying. Intune will be remain on the cloud itself, right?
So thank you.
Okay. Thank you guys for joining the session. I hope the session was informative. We'll meet you tomorrow. Okay. Bye now. Bye everyone.
Yep. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.